Hi, I'm Julia. I'll show you how to find the permanent numeric Twitter/X ID behind any account in seconds using Circleboom's Twitter ID Finder. First, head to the Twitter ID Finder page and click into the search box marked with the @ symbol. Then type in the username you want to look up. No need for a full profile URL, just the handle. After that, click Search and let Circleboom pull the data straight from Twitter. This only takes a few seconds. Once it loads, you'll see a result card with the account's profile picture, display name, and its numeric Twitter/XID right there in a highlighted box, ready to copy. After that, you'll notice two extra shortcuts appear. One to export the account's full followers and following list, and another to download all of that account's tweets in case you need to go further. That's it. Quick, clean, and free. Happy Circlebooming.